You have seen this AIMS 2017 question so many times while doing the question practice of kinematics. In this question, we have to interpret the Vx graph into acceleration versus position graph. You have seen too many video solution on the internet. You may find that this question solution has given too many lengthy and too much unnecessary detailed solution. Now in this video, I am gonna give you a easiest one solution of this question without any involving too much lengthy differentiation that the most of the solution present on the internet. Let's have a take of the solution, easiest solution of this question. For preference, I have opened this same question in the book. You can see this is the question. This is the four options that are actually present on the screen. Now what I'm doing is firstly I will draw the graph of this question. This is the same graph that is mentioned on the question. You may know only one thing from which I can give you the solution. If you are studying kinematics, so you obviously know the formula of acceleration in the differentiate form, that is dv by dt. What I can do is multiplying and divide by dx on the right hand side. Sorry, this is dx on the right hand side. Now you can see that dv by dx is the slope of this graph. What is the slope of this graph? Is dv by dx. Of course, the slope of this graph is dv by dx. So this dv by dx is the slope, and this dx by dt is what? Is dx by dt is velocity. We can say that acceleration is equal to slope of this graph into velocity. Now remember this formula. We can apply this formula interpretation in the question. We will not use any numerical value. We will not use any differentiate value. We will not use by observing the constants, etc. We will just solve this question theoretically in just few seconds. Let's take. Now you can see in this question that the slope is negative. So what we can interpret from here? The slope is negative. So acceleration is equals to negative, something negative, into velocity. Now we have to take about the velocity. What is the variation of velocity here in this question? You can see that velocity is continuously decreasing with the position. Means velocity y-axis value means velocity is decreasing by position with respect to position. What we can conclude here? Velocity is decreasing. Means every time, every position, we can say that negative value is multiplying every single less value in every successive position. For example, for your understanding, if I give you an example that if we take -5 and take it is a not changing value, means it's constant. If I multiply this -5 with successively with the less number, means initially if I multiply with 0.5, it comes out to be 2.5. okay? Now similarly, same as the -5 I will take here. Now if multiply with 0.15, then it comes out to be 0.75. Means value is decreasing successively if I am multiplying with the less value of -5. -5 is constant. Due to multiplying with the less value, the value product result is coming out to be less successively. What we can conclude here, that if I am multiplying negative value with the decreasing value successively, what will happen? The value in negative will decrease. The value in negative will decrease, means it mathematically means the value is increasing. If magnitude of value is decreasing, if we apply negative there, so it means it is increasing. Same concept apply here, that if we see here that the acceleration is decreasing by the negative value, means acceleration is increasing because smaller value in negative is bigger than the bigger magnitude value in negative. By applying this concept, we can conclude that acceleration is approaching to zero successively. Means if initially, for example, just an example, if acceleration initially is -5, then successively it approaches to -2.5, then -0.75, then successively it will approach to zero. Here we can see that in this point the acceleration has approached to zero. Hence we can conclude that this option A is the correct option. If you want these videos like this, then comment your questions, your appreciations, or any flaw if it in this video, to make it improve in the next one. And if you want this video, then like this video and subscribe the channel for the most easiest explanation on internet of your doubt questions.